I am very glad to meet all our group members over here. The whole world should be scared of our unity. And for that, we need lot of money. And for that, what we need is kidnap the children of millionaires and demand lots of money as ransom. Being the respective heads of all the countries of the globe, you are supposed to do it.
What? Are you searching for your son who is in school? He is with me. Shall we talk business now? How much can you pay? Hello, you own 3 factories, a theatre. You quoting only 10 lakhs for your son? I want 1 crore. What do you say? Just send the money on time or you will see your son dead body.
Can you hear me?
Sir?
Deliver 4 bags to Lakshmi Marriage
Okay.
Hall, 3 bags to the Railway
Okay, sir.
Marriage Hall. Don't take anything home. Be careful. Your brother is coming.
How do you say that without seeing?
Your brother smells like rotten pickles. If you can get that smell, it means your brother is around.
You're jealous of him. He's sporting a perfume.
He didn't buy that perfume, right? He got it for free of cost. Hence, he smells like a pig.
Uncle, please watch your words. Don't make fun of me. Just let me live. Sister, give me 100
Then
rupees.
why are you begging for money like this?
Uncle, I am asking my sister, not
Your
you.
sister will ask me and I have to give her.
Then give no.
No, your stupid brother boozes. Do you know that?
She doesn't know. You better teach
Hey,
her.
I didn't ask whether she knows you booze.
Don't teach her. Just calm down. Can you give me 100 rupees or not?
I can't.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
What did you talk?
What did you promise when you married my sister? You promised that you'll take care of me also as well when you married my sister. Now, do you remember all that actually? Now you're going back on your words.
Whatever you say, I won't
Then
give.
return my old sister back.
What? Old sister?
Yes, my old sister. Before marriage, she was fresh, right? Now give her back.
How is it possible?
Then give me 100 rupees.
No, I can't.
Is it like that? Then come on, let's
Where?
go. To my mother's house.
Why?
You're going to learn when you're going to stay alone here, okay?
No, take this
That's
money.
it. You could have given this before, right? You needed some shock treatment, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a 500 rupee
500,
note.
500, stop! Please come. Hello, madam.
Hello, sir.
I want to meet your son.
Vijay?
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. He is someone known to me. He wants to talk to you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Take your seat. Tell me.
Sir, my name is Shivaram. I am a government servant. I have 3 daughters. My eldest daughter is studying in the arts college in town. She is staying in a hostel there. In the same college, the chairman's son is also studying. But he often come to my daughter and holds her hand. He calls her alone and misbehave with her, sir. My daughter already complained to the management. He is a chairman's son and strong background also. The management has called him casually and warned him, sir. Just a few days ago, The students had went on a tour. There, he recorded my daughter having a shower in his cell phone, sir. Now he is blackmailing my daughter and asks her to come with him. Otherwise, he show it to the students. He threatens to put into the video in the internet. If I call the police, then my daughter will be insulted. I think also commit suicide. But I got 3 small kids. I couldn't do it.
Ask your daughter to go to that guy. Wherever he asks her to come.
Don't be scared. I won't harm you. I just want to watch you having fun with my friends.
No! Leave me! Oh, leave me! Leave me!
Do you know who that is?
My mother and my sister, sir.
Hey, the way you have shot this girl's video, I have shot a movie of your mother and sister. Now within 24 hours, it will be distributed all over the city. How's that?
Please forgive me, sir. Please don't do that, sir. Family will lose its reputation, sir.
Hey, you think you only have family? Others don't care about theirs? You have tortured that girl so much. Imagine how difficult it was for her. What did you think, huh?
Sir, please spare my family, sir. Please don't do anything, sir.
Hey, you bastard. I just lied about the video of your mother and sister and you got so nervous. Those family would have felt the same way. If they would have committed suicide, who is responsible? Come on, tell me!
Sir, I will not repeat this mistake, sir. Please spare us, sir.
If I heard that you hurt any girl, then I won't spare you.
Sir,
Let's go.
why did you do that?
How are you, my tomato?
Get lost, you scoundrel.
Look at where she's aiming, man. Get lost. What if you're not there? Hi, Kamakshi. Now, what does that mean?
She meant she will chop you off. What are you doing?
I'm actually supervising the ladies. here.
Supervising or flirting with them?
Are you mad? What are you talking actually?
Hey!
Exactly. How can I flirt with all of them? I have to do one by one, na?
It is not your
Then
fault.
whose fault is it?
Your
What
father's.
do you mean?
He placed soaked dal in a mortar and churned it, but he didn't crush it. He is at fault. Do you understand that?
But you married my sister
it
only, right?
applies to you both. You lime. Buy it and come. Hey, Do you know what to get?
You just said lime, right?
I was chiding you.
Then what am I supposed to buy?
Get some oil, quick.
Okay.
Hey, you stupid. Inquire which oil.
Is it oil or butter?
I want oil.
Then why are you confusing?
Hey, tell me which oil you are going to buy.
Then which oil?
Groundnut oil.
Okay, right. Stop there. Who am I?
Useless.
I didn't ask generally. Who am I in this house?
The landlord's brother-in-law, a lazy guy who is pretending like that.
Okay, leave it. Don't have to get into details. Okay, who are you in this house?
A tenant who is staying in this house.
Just repeat that.
Staying this house.
So you know that you are just a tenant here, right? In that case, you should be greeting your house owner, right?
Yes.
Then do it.
Hello.
Hey! Is this how you greet? Aren't you educated? Where are your manners? Huh?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Hey, do you think I look like an idiot?
Did you call me?
Kill you! Hey, why are you changing sides often, man?
What?
Then what?
Which way I'm supposed to
Hey,
go?
no. Just go that way only,
Your
man.
greetings?
Yeah, I don't need your greetings. Discovering different techniques of hitting me.
Brother, can you come here?
Yes, what?
Mind the shop for a few minutes.
Ah.
I will go to the market and
Go ahead.
purchase.
Wow, he is maintaining this shop excellently. I will learn this trade today itself and start a couple of grocery shop in my street.
Are you new to the shop?
What would you do if I am old?
No, what I mean is I have never seen you before here.
What if you had seen me before?
Hello, I just asked you if you are new to this place, that's all.
What would you do if you have seen me before?
He is repeating my own dialogues to me back. I think I should start now.
What do you want?
I want some oil.
What oil you want?
Yes, I want oil.
Tell me what you want.
I want some oil.
Tell me who is the shopkeeper.
Of course, it's you.
Then I should inquire, no?
Absolutely.
What you want?
I want oil.
What you want?
I want some oil.
Don't test my patience, brother.
I am not irritating you.
Don't fry me. Tell me what you want.
I have been asking for oil only.
Hey,
Ah.
what did you ask for?
I asked just oil.
Oh, do you want oil?
That's what I've been asking, man.
Hey, don't confuse. You asked for oil.
That's right.
Why did you tell me before? I spoke arrogantly. Should you torture me like this? Tell me which kind of oil you want.
Groundnut oil.
That is fine.
Hope it's not gingerly oil, right?
Huh? Didn't you ask for groundnut
Yes.
oil? Don't confuse.
No, I was just confirming. Hey. Don't cry,
Oh,
man. I was
God.
just confirming that it is not gingerly oil.
Huh?
Is it pure?
Is it so?
Yeah.
Definitely it is pure, man.
Then go ahead. It's groundnut oil only, right?
Oh God! I'm going home. Someone get me a ticket.
Oh, my God.
What is it?
Why are you not picking up the phone?
I was in a dream.
With that officer?
Yeah.
But you don't know about him. Where is he now?
I'm sure. I'll trace him one day.
Driver, have the money.
Pay me more, sir.
Why are you staring at them like that?
Isn't she your sister's daughter?
Please be carefully when you are unloading.
Hey, I am not able to handle the women here itself. I was just thinking how I'm going to manage her now.
Don't waste the time. Make it fast, okay?
Now, all of you,
Okay,
please
sir.
leave this place. She might just dash over and come over to me and do things to me. And if you see all that, you will feel jealous. Therefore, leave.
Mm-hmm. Hey, what are you
Come on,
staring at?
make it fast.
Shit.
Huh.
You
okay,
come here and
I
carry
know
my
everything.
luggage.
I think I made a mistake looking at her.
Hey, come here.
Guys, just come and keep the luggage in.
What happened suddenly?
I have to vacate the house. I can't stay in the town anymore.
Why?
The party secretary in our place wants Sandhya to be his wife. He is constantly nagging us. She has completed her nursing and have applied to all hospitals. Wherever she gets the job, we will settle over there.
Why do you have to send her for work? Why don't you get her married?
I will call the marriage broker. We will make
I
arrangements.
can marry just like that. I have a lot of conditions.
What conditions?
I have written a list. Let me bring it. So you are the new tenant. Will be staying here. Do you know who am I? I'm a close relative of your landlord. Can't you greet me? Huh? Okay, I will do it. Hello. Hello. Should get attached at the first sight. Condition number 1. Okay.
Hey, what is it?
What?
I asked, why are you staring there?
Just like that.
No, you are not allowed. Do you know who she? She is my fiancée.
Okay.
What? What do you mean by okay? You say okay and still you're looking at her? You're looking there and talking here, huh? Hey, you. Without any prior notice, don't show off your biceps. Don't expand your chest. Don't raise your eyebrows. It doesn't work here. Remember that you are just a tenant here and act accordingly, okay? That will be good for you as well as your health also. Got it?
Okay.
Eh? Why are you saying okay so softly? Say it as if it is a bang onto my ears, okay?
Okay.
Hey, within that time he's gone missing or what?
What are we looking for?
What?
I mean, what are we searching?
Oh my god.
Hey, what is that sound?
Now only it opened up.
Okay, go.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा
Oh gosh! Oh god! If I put this, then that will happen. Oh my god, what a big bag. It's as broad as a plate. You're such a lucky being.
If you put the cockroach, do you think I'm
Did you
scared?
get scared of what? Ladies normally get scared of this, right?
Then put it in my mouth. I crushed a couple of scorpions in the morning and 3 snakes in the afternoon. And now I have lost my prestige by crushing such a petty thing.
Hey, you big criminal. You killed so many animals since morning. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
If you stand here and talk too much, I'm going to flatten your face. Walk around with a flat face then.
She means I become flat. Then how can I get married with a
Stupid.
flat face like that?
Excuse me. Whatever clothes you wear, You look smart on them. Condition number 2. Okay.
Hey,
Get down.
Aren't you going home? We live in the same house and you're on the top. Why don't you drop me?
No, I cannot. Get down.
I have faith in me. Drop me if you have faith in you. Have you ever given a lift to any other girl your bike before? Why are you so fast? I have understood.
Hey, remove your hands.
You did it for this, right? Hey, Laurie! Oh, hey, truck! I know swimming.
brother, that industrial doesn't budge.
He says he has only 50 lakhs with him.
I think he might call the cops.
Then don't talk to him. Just back off, his son. Sir,
Yes?
there is the CD that the kidnappers has sent.
Play it.
What?
I also love music, especially Jairam songs. I love very much.
I would like to sit around for some time. You may go.
My condition number.
I told you to get out! Go!
Auntie, do me a small favor.
What is it?
Tomorrow, please come to our home for a lunch.
What is the occasion?
Because I'm going to cook tomorrow.
What's so special about it?
No, nothing like that. Please bring your son along with you.
Oh, you're dreaming of becoming my daughter-in-law,
No,
right?
no, nothing like that. You just bring him along.
When I am around here, how dare the other fellow is being invited? Let's see. Let's see how.
Sandhya, what are you planning to cook for your man?
Everything is special.
What's so special about this?
Huh? Even this oil is special. If I cook food in this oil, he'll become fit and very healthy.
Have you finished cooking the food, dear?
I think I have forgot something.
What's that?
A small magic that my mom taught.
What magic?
If you add this, my man's man will work fast. That's the magic it does.
Just a minute. Is he your only son?
You're right, dear.
I just want to talk to him personally. You please go in.
You go ahead.
Don't worry, I won't hurt him. Please.
Okay.
So why have you come this side?
For lunch.
So if you get food for free, you'll go anywhere.
Yes, I would.
So you'll go anywhere for food, huh?
Yeah.
Aren't you ashamed?
No.
Hey, why are you advancing when you're talking?
To go there.
So you have to go, huh?
Yes.
So there is no other way?
There you can see a way.
Oh, mocking at me,
Yeah.
huh? You behave properly, but you're refusing to obey me, right?
I used to.
Now, what if I block you?
I will murder you.
Oh, okay, then you proceed. Brother.
What?
No, I just said enjoy your lunch.
Mind your business.
Okay. He whacks a 6 for any ball I throw, man.
The lunch was very good. Thank you.
You should praise my cooking, whatever I cook for him. Condition number 7, okay.
Are you Sandhya?
Yes.
You have received a registered post. Please acknowledge.
Daddy.
What, dear?
I've got a nurse job.
Let me see. Sandhya, but we didn't apply for this hospital.
I only had informed Vijay at upstairs about your job.
Why do you thank me, sir?
My daughter has got a job in a big hospital. It's all because of you.
I just put a word to a doctor who is known to me.
Your son has got through my condition number 8. Okay.
Nowadays, getting a job or a life partner is a very big thing. I'm very happy that she got a job through you. And brother, my worker is conducting his daughter's wedding. They are waiting to invite you.
You must come for my daughter's wedding.
I will come.
I'm going to Chennai. You have cleared all my conditions. Do you like me?
Wish you all the best.
Damn her love.
Hi, Meena. How are you?
I'm fine, sister. How about you?
Listen, I mean,
What happened?
I got a tip from London Intelligence Police. Some terrorists are planning to kidnap VIP children in India. And that particular list also mentions our family.
You mean our Priya?
Whatever the cost might be, arrange for the security for our daughter.
I got to know about this problem beforehand.
You know? Then why didn't you inform me?
We all are here for her. How can someone kidnap her?
We can't be careless anymore. Please arrange a bodyguard for her as soon as possible.
You're actually right. Priya needs a security. If you ask our Deensha, he will arrange for a couple of constables here.
Uncle had retired 2 years ago.
Deensha uncle is not in town. We'll wait till he comes.
But till then...
Hey Meena, why don't you just go ahead and attend the wedding? Meanwhile, I'll arrange everything here. Hmm?
Come, please be seated.
Please have a seat, ma'am. I'm just
Yeah,
coming,
okay.
madam. Hello, sir.
It's okay.
Hey, please be careful. Food has to be best.
Please don't touch anywhere. Don't stand here. Come on. Let's go. Be careful. Fire is everywhere. Be careful. Don't touch anything. Help! Somebody please help!
Please save my daughter!
We are trapped here. Please help! Please help! Help, please!
Somebody come!
Hi!
Huh?
Tied to the vehicle!
Start the vehicle.
Go!
Come on, quick.
Please hold it.
Hold it.
Come on, fast. Hold it carefully.
Carefully, one by one.
Carefully.
Gently! Oh, come on!
Come on, baby.
Don't hurry.
Come on.
Slowly, carefully.
Hold it carefully.
Yeah. I'm taking care.
Mommy, please save me. Mom.
No.
Save
Don't go.
me, Mom.
Don't go there. Vijay!
Mom. Save me. Mommy. Please save me. Help me.
When she went for the wedding, she saw someone who rescued everyone from the fire accident. She's insisting that he should be a bodyguard.
It's true. He's not bothered about his own life. He saved everybody else from the fire. I think he's the right man.
Actually, we cannot bring in a stranger here and make him a bodyguard.
Just because you saw something, we can't decide on that. He must be a professional, a trained man. He should be able to handle a situation at any point of time.
Do you know anyone who can match up to that, uncle?
Yes, there is a guy. He impressed me very much among the officers I saw in my service. Young and dynamic fellow. His name is Vijay.
Hey, give me 2 better leaf. Hey, start the vehicle.
Vijay, you are very brave, but tell you the truth, lot of senior officers are jealous of you. Even politicians didn't like you. They are trying to transfer you. Be careful.
They cannot harm me even if they want to. They just can't.
No, no, please, please don't shoot him. I beg of you, please. Please don't shoot him. Please don't shoot him.
You are a dynamic and dedicated officer. Our department will not get a guy like you. The doctor had given a certificate declaring you are physically unfit. You won't be able to continue in this job.
Please don't do this to me. It's nothing. It's a small injury, that's it. Please give me some time, sir. I will prove my fitness.
Even if you do that, you will be appointed only as a dog trainer. You will not be able to do anything from now. If you are sincere in your job, you will not be liked, neither by the government nor by the others.
I visited the hospital to see him, but I was told that he left the hospital even before he was cured. So I could not meet him. Neither I don't have any details. If you need a bodyguard, then he's the
Uncle,
only person.
your man just did his job only, right? But this man just not as brave. He's human also. He no need to save everyone, right? But he did saved everyone. We also need a person like that.
My man also has the qualities you just said.
But uncle,
Meena, no. Let's just go with what uncle says. But uncle, you said you don't know where the guy is, right? So what do we do?
Yes, he's the person. The Jack.
uncle, this is the same guy I was talking about.
Sure?
Yes, uncle, I'm sure about it.
Where did you meet him?
Sir, this is the place.
Hello, oldie.
Please come,
Didn't
sir.
hear, it seems.
Greetings, ma'am.
Welcome. Please come in.
Hey, hello, driver bro.
Huh?
Who is that guy who actually walked in stiffly into my house?
Who is that person?
Hey, who is he, man?
What? You know
Hey,
who
why
is?
are you getting tense, man? I'm just asking who's he.
Police officer Dinsha.
He's a police officer. I thought so. The way he was walking in stiffly into my house, I was thinking that he's going to arrest that guy
Hello.
only.
He is an ex-police officer. He has killed 9 persons in encounter.
Oh, he killed 9 people or what?
Hmm.
Without knowing this, I was torturing him so much. What if he would have killed me, counting me as
He
the
is
10th
an ex.
person?
You would have died.
Hey!
I can listen what you think. Such a useless mind.
Were you able to hear or what?
Even he would have heard it.
Sir? Sir?
What is the matter?
Sir, is there water supply proper in your toilet, sir? If it's not coming, just tell me, sir. I'll supply it. Please go in, sir. Otherwise, you'll become dark like me, sir.
Why is this sudden affection?
No, actually, it was there at the beginning only, sir. I didn't express it, sir.
I will kill
It's
you.
all yours, sir. You can kill me whenever you time, sir. Please go in, sir. Please. Such a big guy is living so silently without telling anyone. Oh my god.
I am surprised to see a brilliant encounter specialist like this.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine. How about you?
Please sit down. How come, sir, you traveled so far to come and meet me?
You must have heard about my son-in-law, Singer Jairam.
Yes, I know.
So I want you to be his daughter's personal bodyguard.
I'm trying to forget that I was a cop before. I can't do this, sir.
See, I know about your efficiency. I can appoint as many bodyguards as I want for that little girl. But that's not my wish. Many parents are suffering for losing their children. I don't know how many more kids will be kidnapped in the future. I want to destroy that network. Only you can do it.
Why should I want to work for the department, sir?
I understand your anger. Okay. Forget about the department. Leave it. That girl is like my granddaughter. Accept for her sake. I have come on faith in you. Have a look at her photo. Look at her face and then decide.
Sir, where is she now?
Thank you. Thank you very much. One more request. I dislike the Vijay I see today. I knew a different Vijay. Come. Jairam. He is Mr. Vijay.
Hi, I'm Jairam.
Hello.
All the best to you.
Thank you.
Please be seated. Uncle has been talking a lot about you.
We are very scared about our daughter's safety. You'll have to take care of her.
I am the family lawyer. For the gun license, we need your signature.
Wait, Mr. Lakshman. What is the salary you're expecting to become my daughter's bodyguard?
1 lakh rupees.
Huh?
1 lakh rupees.
1 lakh rupees? Just to accommodate her? Oh, that too in a car?
Sir, you just got one person. The rate is bit higher, sir.
No. Just sit down. We don't mind the money. Please sit down. We care for our daughter's safety.
Yes, Mr. Vijay. We'll pay you what you have asked. Is there any other conditions?
Please send a 75,000 demand draft to St. Mary's Physically Challenged School. And give me the rest.
Priya?
Yes, Mummy. Hello, Uncle. I am Priya.
Priya, from now on he's going to be your bodyguard.
Yes, Daddy. Hereafter, he is my bodyguard, isn't it?
Take him to the guest house.
Please come, Uncle.
Mr. Vijay? Can we feel safe hereafter? We really trust you.
Thank you.
Hello. I'm Ramya. Jairam sir's PA. You know, actually, I know you. My house was near the police training college. I used to always ogle to you every day. Then I lost track of you from then. Somehow I wanted to meet you, talk to you. I always think about you, like some sort of a meditation exercise. You're very smart.
Thank you.
Uncle, are you from different town? Do you like Western music? We have a CD player here. If you want, you can listen it. Have you worked as a bodyguard previously?
No.
So, is this the first time?
Can you be quiet?
Why? You can talk and drive also, isn't it? In the past 2 weeks, 42 students like me have gone missing. Out of that, 21 students returned back. But 9 of them have died. Do you know that? 12 of them are still missing. That means on an average 3 students per day. What do you understand?
I came to know you're good in maths.
My friends in my school also tell me the same thing. Bye, Uncle.
Hello. I'm Sandhya. without mustache. You know, my hospital is nearby here. Where do you stay? Okay, I'll find out. Okay, can I have your phone number, please? Okay, I'll trace it and talk to you later. See you.
School will finish at 4:30 p.m., okay?
Okay.
I heard that when you were a police officer, you killed 9 persons. Why did you leave the police job?
Hey, see, don't ask unnecessary questions.
But I need to know the details.
Will you shut up? I don't like this. I'm paid for being your bodyguard, not for answering your questions. Can you hear me?
I'm not deaf.
Are you crying?
No,
Then why do you look glum?
it's my face. Don't bother.
Your wish.
Hey!
Sir, I'm starving. Spare
Move,
some money,
move,
sir.
move,
Please,
move.
please help me. Sir,
Hey,
please,
Priya.
I'm starving, sir.
Priya! Priya!
Evolution, red revolution. Motivation, hard diffusion. Evolution, good solution. Wanna ever popular, but look that.
Priya is refusing to eat without you. You should pressure her to eat.
Evolution, good solution. Wanna ever popular, but look that.
Why have we employees persons who do not have the manners to talk to kids?
Whatever it is, how dare you scold our kid?
When did I scold you? Eat.
What happened? As Madam's anger subsided.
I just want to sit with him and have my food. Why do you think I put up a drama
You
like
naughty.
that?
Listen, can you apply some oil on my back? Okay, you go, I'll bring the oil.
Oh, oil bath. Give me the oil. Give it. Go. Get the out of here. Can a lady apply oil for another lady? How is it fair?
Why have you poured oil on me and sitting there silently? Why don't you massage, you idiot? Hey, are you riding a train? Use your hands and massage properly, monkey. Why did you stop, girl? Continue. You? Ah!
I was so decent all this while. Did I make any kind of noise here? Do the same. Be decent like me. Why are you calling everyone now? Huh? Don't you ever act rough with me like this again. If I would have died, then they would have arrested you, right? Simply acting childish. Okay, bye.
Please be prepared.
In the 150-meter freestyle swimming competition, Uma of 5th standard grade is the winner.
You swim well.
But I cannot win.
You can't do anything from now.
I have never won before, uncle. I can never win.
Don't talk like that. You can definitely win. Come on. Cheer up.
Priya, can you participate in the swimming competition?
Sure. Priya, give a pencil. Priya, your pencil.
I have gotten another one.
Practice as I had suggested. You will be the winner.
Can I be able to win?
Do it with the confidence. You will win. Okay? Go.
Oh, this history lesson is so boring.
Hi, I'm Sandhya here.
How did you get my number?
See how I traced your number?
Great achievement.
I want a clarification.
What?
I heard that there is a girl Ramya in that house. Is she your friend or lover?
Can I keep the phone down?
I'll call you again.
Who's that? Your girlfriend? Was that your girlfriend on phone?
Ask if you have any doubt in history.
I have no doubt in this history. I want to know yours. Tell me who's your first girlfriend?
Police. Police job was my first love. Are you scared?
No.
Tell me without laughing.
No.
Can you win or not?
Yes, I can.
Can you win or not?
I can.
Tell me loudly.
I
That's
can.
good. Good luck. Go.
What happened, Vijay? Where are her parents?
They have gone out.
Then today you are her parents.
In the 150-meter style swimming competition, Priya of 5th
Uncle,
standard
did you
has
see
won.
that? I won! Yay!
Listen to me carefully. We are kidnapping Priya on 7th.
Why are we come here, uncle?
I will tell you. Come. Priya?
This is for you because you made me win. Did you like it?
I love it. This is for you.
Thanks. I'm going to name it Vijay. Did you like it?
It's nice.
Mummy, I don't want to go to music class.
Why?
I want to go with Uncle and watch Spider-Man Part 2.
No, you have to go to music class.
Okay.
Please, Daddy, try to understand me, no? Spider-Man movie also have music in it.
You must attend the music class, dear.
Uncle, 1 minute.
Thank you.
What about me?
For you, I'll get you something special, okay? Hello.
Hello. Hi, Priya.
Good morning, Master.
How long the class will last?
Just 1 hour.
Go.
Bye, Uncle.
Bye-bye.
Priya!
Uncle! Vijay uncle! Uncle! Uncle, please get up, Uncle! Uncle! Uncle!
Priya, run. Priya.
Leave me! I told you to leave! Uncle! Vijay uncle! Leave me! Uncle! Uncle! Leave me, Uncle!
Ex-police officer Vijay is arrested in a case for kidnapping a schoolgirl named Priya. My darling. Mwah! You're my sweetheart. You're my real gold. You're my darling, isn't it? Mwah! Kichi, kichi.
Don't yell at me like that. Ask me the actual reason. I got excited and hugged your daughter. Ask her what her feeling was when she hugged me. Without knowing that, don't yell at me.
What do you feel about him, dear?
He was the one who hugged me first. Why don't you give me to him in marriage? Instead of that, you're standing
Yes.
simply and talking. You
Oh,
can't.
okay.
Not you,
Okay,
man.
not you, man. Go.
Not me.
If you can find a job for him, my daughter's life will be settled.
I cannot find a job for him. You do that
I
for
will
yourself.
get him a job.
Okay.
My brother-in-law is in Chennai. He owns an auto rickshaw there. Let him drive that for 6 months. Then he can marry her.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please,
Can
sir,
you
let
what
us
happened
go.
to him? What
Sir,
happened to
please.
Mr. Vijay?
How is he, sir?
Please
We
share
want
with us.
silence,
Tell
sir.
me.
Silence.
Please allow
So can
us,
you
sir.
please explain
Please.
us?
Due to the increase in kidnapping in city, we look a list of wealthy children and followed them. When we followed Priya the day it happened, we came to know that Vijay had kidnapped her and had handed over her to him. Then our men in our department had shot him. Vijay shot back all of them and killed 5 of our men.
We cannot believe you blaming an ex-police officer.
That even we could not believe it. But in this current situation, we had to believe it.
Is anybody else have any connection with
We
this?
have just started our investigation.
I told you not to keeping as a bodyguard. Now see, he sold our daughter for money. Yeah, okay, I'll call you later. Hello?
I'm Jairaj, Special Investigation Officer. I can understand your feelings, but I have to discuss something about the case with you.
We have decided to deal it ourselves.
Mr. Jaira, during this encounter, we lost 5 of our men. We have permission from the court to investigate the case.
Please tell me about your bodyguard.
I have my doubts on that guy.
She
Just
is
a minute.
right. Vijay, who was an aide for the kidnappers, is in our custody. If you interrogate him, we can trace the kidnappers. The kidnapper will ask you for a ransom. Don't dare by paying him. From here on, I will tell you what you are supposed to do.
Hello. Hello.
You really love your kid?
Yes.
Do you wish to see your daughter alive?
Yes, of course.
I am thinking of what you should do, you shouldn't. I will call you again.
What happened?
Priya. Priya. Yeah.
Talks are going on with the kidnappers.
How is Vijay's condition now?
The treatment is going on. We can't say anything right now.
It is better if he dies.
Sir, what is this? What
Even
are you
if
talking?
he survives, the law will not spare him easily.
Doctor, his life is in real danger. We should move him immediately to a safe place.
Hello.
Listen to me carefully what I am about to say. And if you do that, the daughter will be returned back to you, the way she was taken. If you try anything else, after that, you won't see your daughter alive. Understand?
Yeah, understood. Nothing will happen like
Did
that.
you understand what I am telling you?
Yeah, I understood.
I'll call you later.
See that Vijay is cured at the earliest.
Shall we talk business now? I need 2 crores.
Where am I supposed to be?
I need 1 crore in one bag, the other crore in other bag, both in separate bags. The deal is only between us. I believe you won't approach the police. You come in the car alone to the place I tell you. My men would be there once you arrive. You should step out of the car so that we know that you have come alone.
I just want my daughter back alive.
Someone is trying to steal the money from us. Catch them!
Your men have killed my brother and stole my money.
Huh?
Even the god don't want to see your daughter alive.
Hello?
No.
Hello? I'm Priya's mother here. I'm sorry. Please don't do anything to my daughter. Whatever happened to your brother, I apologize for that.
I'm not a human to forgive you just like
I
that.
beg you, please don't harm my child. I beg you, please don't harm my child.
It's a life for a life.
Please don't hurt Priya. Please.
Please.
Please leave my child.
Boss, there is no connection between the one who had taken the money and the kid's family.
I want back my daughter. I want back my daughter. I want back my daughter. You all have killed my daughter. I want my child back. I want my child back.
Now, you are in my friend's house.
How is Priya now?
We felt that your life was in danger. That's why we brought you here.
Please tell me, how is Priya?
You should take complete rest.
What happened to Priya?
Priya,
Priya?
they've killed Priya. entire city is mourning for the little girl's death.
What are you saying, sir?
I don't know anything, sir.
How can you expect without
Sir,
your
please
knowledge?
understand, sir. I don't know anything. So, what do you mean by irresponsible, sir? Why, sir? How are we irresponsible? No, sir. Oh God, save me. Let me earn little more than yesterday. The evil eye on this key and the vehicle should all go.
Bro, what are you doing?
Actually, I'm trying to break the spell.
To break the spell, only the key will not work. You have to put all the money in it.
And if I do that?
Only then you could dispel the evil eye.
Is it-
Then only you can drive your auto and earn a lot
Is it
of
true?
money.
Then what? I'll put it. Whatever I earned yesterday, I'll put the entire thing inside, na?
Bro, how much is that?
How much? It'll be around 150 rupees.
Okay, put it in,
Huh?
put it in.
Okay.
Put it properly.
Don't worry, I'm going to take everything back today only, right?
One, two,
two,
three. Enough. If you do it again, spell won't break.
Okay, after all, who are you?
Whoever I am, it's for your good. Break it.
Is it? Okay then.
A lift up. A little back.
Huh?
A little more. A catch.
Hey, stop it!
What you brought?
Hey, stop! Hey, stop it! Hey,
Why
come
should
on, give
I?
it back to me here. Money off yesterday.
I won't give.
Hey, give me back the pumpkin.
You idiot, stupid.
Swing.
Hey, come on, don't do all the monkey tricks, man. Hey, come on, give it back to me. Hey, come on, don't run, don't make me run.
What, bro? Take it.
My God! Actually, this monkey was in the circus before. Oh my God, I'm feeling dizzy.
Attack.
Oh my God! Hey, this is what I wanted to do in front of the vehicle. You're grabbing it and breaking it there.
If you break it and take the money.
Hey, you should have asked me then itself, right? I wouldn't have flown all over this place right now, right? Take it. Take all the money you want. Please give me my auto key. That's a request. I can't fly around you, man.
You want the key? Idiot. Take this, catch it.
You bloody scoundrel. Aren't you happy seeing me running around? Where have you thrown the key now? She'll tear me if I ask her now. Good Lord, how am I going to ask her now? Oh my God, it's still here.
What is this?
What's it? It's my vehicle key.
Is this a place to play with your key?
No, I didn't do. He only did it.
Wait. This guy was pushing all of us around here and he was running away.
When did I push you? Who, me?
Yes.
All of you people. Come on, how can I single-handedly push all you guys?
So you have thoughts of bees like in your mind?
Beat him!
Oh,
Beat him.
Oh my
leave him.
God!
Beat him.
Don't hit me!
Vijay, I have spoken to someone working in the harbor. I think you'll be safe if you move to another town.
According to the present health condition, you need proper rest. There should be no mental strain at all.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to stay here. Now I want to go to Priya's house.
They have killed her.
Why did you come here? Do you even know what affection is? You have betrayed all of us.
You have cheated us by acting as a virtuous fellow.
You have done all of this just for money. You should have asked me. I would have given you everything. Tell me how much do you need right now? I'll give you. But can you give my Priya back to me? Can you? You can even forgive your enemy, but not a traitor. Hurry, call the police. Call the police.
No.
I said call the police.
I said no.
Hey, Meera.
I believe him. I have faith in him.
He's the person who killed our child.
No. You can never do that.
I believe in the statement the police gave. I just don't care how much ever you trust him.
If you can't believe what police says, you have to believe me also. They would say anything in the statement. Fine, understand the minds of people. If he had been the culprit, he would have gone. He wouldn't be standing before us. I know better than you. Are we moved with Priya? Give some respect to what I say, please. What do you want now?
Can I see Priya's room? Thank you for believing me.
Priya, she had affection for everybody. She had more affection for you. Even in her dream, she would
Please no. Not only the one who kidnapped and killed her, who are all involved in this, I'm not going to spare them. I won't spare them. I swear on Priya.
Yes. All those who kidnapped and killed her should die.
Evolution, red revolution, motivation, high diffusion, evaporation, root solution, water and my bubble of a root.
Hey, have you finished all the work in the vehicle?
Yes, I have. Use a bigger pumpkin to dispel the evil eye.
Hey, you idiot! Why are you talking about the pumpkin right now? I have had enough of the pumpkins in one day itself. From now on, I'm not going to add pumpkins in my diet itself. Again, you're repeating the same thing.
Greetings.
Hello,
Is
sir.
your vehicle available?
God saved me. This is the maiden trip for me today. Moreover, he looks like a very pious person. Okay, let's go, sir. Please get in.
Just move a bit.
I'll not
move a
touch you,
bit.
sir. He's so neat and clean and hygienic. Sir, please sit comfortably, sir. Yes. Okay, shall we go, sir? Okay, sir, where should we go?
To the cemetery.
Why this man is looking so refined, but why is he talking like this? Sir, only dead people go there. Why do you want to go there alive, sir?
I want to go to that locality.
Be specific like that, sir.
You look straight and drive. Drive like that. Drive like that.
Don't
Look
shake me.
straight
Come
and
on. Hey,
drive.
you're disturbing me. Come on, don't shake me. Don't shake me. Why are you disturbing me? What if we would have met with an accident right now? Look at the way you're looking. Have you ever traveled in an auto before?
Yes, but I have never got down at my destination.
What are you saying, man?
That's true. So far, all my rides have ended up in accidents. Either auto crashes with the lorry and lorry driver dies, or with the water tanker and the tanker driver dies. Otherwise, an auto driver like you will die. Sometimes all the three will die. I will escape unhurt.
What are you saying, man?
Don't worry. It's 18th strip. Go, man. Hey, lorry. In front of you, it's a lorry. Hey, be careful, man.
Thank God, I'm still alive.
When did you go away?
What?
I meant the destination.
Hey, why don't you shut your mouth and come, man?
Do I look like a dead body to be silent?
Oh my God, he's only talking inauspicious things. Hello, you only do sign language now. I'll understand.
When you're facing that side, how will you show my
Show
face?
your hand in front and show the signs.
Is it so?
Yes.
So now what you have to do is go straight and turn
Hey,
this
wait,
way
man.
and
Hey,
again
wait, man.
this
Hey,
way.
you're
There will be a
upsetting me. I
lane.
cannot see anything, man. I cannot.
Hey, you have a long life.
Now only you're talking properly, man.
Whatever crashes on you, that will get destroyed.
Thank you so much, man. Okay, where is my auto now?
This bus is standing on your auto.
What?
And you are standing on that bus.
Is it crashed?
It's flattened out.
Hello? Ramya here.
It's Vijay here. Can you do me a favor?
I will do anything for you.
Okay, number TN073628. Whose vehicle is this, and the owner's name and the owner's address? Can you please find it out for me?
Yes.
Hey man, you can't find my weakness and get the FC. Don't you know that I'm strict?
Hello, sir. Oh my God, sir. Why are you standing?
I am respecting your community by standing, madam.
I need a small help, sir.
Why small, madam? Why don't you asking me something big? Nothing will happen.
Which deity rides on a mouse?
It is the Lord Ganesh vehicle.
Oh, yeah, that's right. What about the peacock?
His brother Lord Murugan's vehicle.
Oh my god. Then whose vehicle is this?
I should not reveal it. It's wrong. Secret of government. I can tell only to the police and not to the public.
Sir, please tell me what's wrong in this. It is not at all wrong, sir. Tell
I can
me,
disclose
sir.
it to the public and it's wrong to tell it to police. That is wrong.
Tell me, sir. Please.
Keep the record book with you. I will complain to the police that it is lost.
Thank you, sir. So
very
sweet of you. Hi. Mm.
Who is it?
Who killed Priya?
Tell me. Who killed her? Tell me.
I don't know.
Tell me, I say. If you don't tell.
I will tell you. I know only Adi. I will do only what he says. He will give me whatever I need. He will be with me till the kidnap job gets over. After the job finishes, he drop me here. I don't know anything
Where
else.
is he now?
I don't know. St. Thomas Mount, Logaya Colony. Forgive me.
Ask Priya to forgive you.
Evolution, red revolution, fiction, hard diffusion, evaporation, root solution, whatever people love you. Evolution, red revolution.
Not only the one who kidnapped and killed Priya, but who all the guys are involved in this case. I'm not gonna spare them. If you answer my questions correctly, then I will let you live. Else you won't have any fingers left.
Please leave me.
Did you drive the vehicle which was used to kidnap the girl?
Yes.
How many have you kidnapped so far?
43 kids.
What would the kids do after they are kidnapped? Tell me, what will they do?
They will cry.
How?
They yell and scream.
Yeah, I'm asking you how.
Leave me! Leave me, please! Leave me! Leave me!
They would have screamed like this.
What do you want? What do you want?
What happened to the ransom money that her father had paid? Why have you killed Priya?
I will get an order to kidnap. My job is only to kidnap. Leave me.
Who orders you? Don't you know?
There is a hotel near the coastline. I hand over the keys to the owners of that particular hotel. That's my only job. They give me money for that.
How would Sham look like?
I shouldn't say that to you. He has got a stitch on the right side of his face.
Give the chocolate to my Priya, okay?
This is not an accident, sir. This is a murder. Someone is picking each one and killing, which kidnaps the children.
Murder and kidnapping are increasing in the city. Is the police...
Hey, ask her to go away.
Please go. Go away. Please.
Oh my god. I hope my business will flourish today. I'll make a lot of money in the first trip itself. What do you say? Oh lord, let me... who is this man? Hey, come on. Hey, wake up, man. Hey. He smells liquor, man. Hey, you have drunk or what, bloody? Get up, man. Oh my god, he's gone to the other side or what? Oh, hey, get up, man. Hey, just open your eyes and see, man. Hey, why are you troubling here? Come on, get up. Hey, wake up, man. Hey, wake up.
Will auto come?
Where do you want to
I
go,
have to
sir?
go to Tambaram.
Tambaram. It's a trip worth going here. Hey, get down, man. Hey, get down, please, buddy.
Hey, you.
Get up, get
Will
down.
auto
Hey,
come or not?
It will come, sir. He's actually drunk and he stepped into my vehicle. I don't know who is he. If you can help me get this guy out, then we can go immediately.
What? I have to pick him up? If he dies in the process, I cannot face the legal procedure. You go, man.
What if this guy dies? Hey, why are you torturing me here? Hey, please get down, man. Hey, please, brother, get down. Hey, get down, man. Hey, This useless fellow is actually making me do all the somersault here. Hey, brother, just get down here. In this place, you didn't get any other vehicle or what? You only had to lie in my vehicle, huh? Hey, get down.
We need to go to out of town. Can you drop us?
Out of town? Oh, it's a great trip here. Hey, just listen here. Just get down here. Just get down. Hey, ma'am, if you both of you help me, we three of us can have fun.
What? 3 of us can have fun. We only asked you to drop us. We don't want a fun trip with you. I will kill you, scoundrel.
Kill you, idiot.
I have been at the receiving end only because of you, bloody idiot.
Hey, stop it.
Why are you getting up so fast, man?
Why are you beating a passenger?
You mean passenger?
Of course. You should have told me I have reached my home.
Hey, what nonsense are you talking about, man? This is not your house. You were drunk and you slept in my auto, you fool.
This is an auto? I was supposed to go home.
Your home? How come your home is here? You're a very big fool, man.
Am I a fool? I heard voice of the conductor saying Tambaram, Melvarthur, etc. Are you lying?
Hey, fool! Those are the voices of my passengers, man.
Whom are you calling a fool? I was traveling to Madurai in the bus. You had kidnapped me and put me in this auto. Are you trying to cheat me?
Kidnap you? What am I going to do after kidnapping
Hey,
you, man?
You have to give me 350 rupees as bus
What
fare.
do you mean?
Take me in your auto to Madurai.
Ticket to Madurai, I'll kill you. Why are you putting your hand inside,
Hey,
man?
give me the money.
Hey, why?
If I take it
Hey,
out, I will
wait,
crash
wait,
you.
let me check
Take
here.
out the money.
Why are you getting angry? Hey, I only have 100 rupees here. Don't
What
take the
about
knife.
balance 250?
Hey, for lying down unconscious, 100 rupees is not
Then
enough,
you
man.
remove your
Hey,
watch.
don't take my watch, man. Hey, come on, hey. You bloody scoundrel. Because of him only, I lost 2 good passengers and now he's robbed me of my watch and money. Do I look like a fool? Is it return my forward or what, huh? This idiot?
Hey. I will come tomorrow.
See how these fellows have developed by day, yaar.
What do you want?
Can you recognize who is this?
I don't know.
Take a close look.
Want you, jumping like a mountain, jamming like a furnace, bumping like a fruit that's like a big honey, my dolly, gonna make you my Ronnie. Do you know what I'm talking about, what I'm singing about, what I'm rapping about, what I'm yelling about, what I'm telling about. Jamming like a furnace, bumping like a fruit that's like a big honey, my
Does the 3 of you have any connection with the kidnapping of this little girl?
We have.
Why have they killed Priya?
The ransom money did not reach our men. They got angry and killed her.
Where has the money gone then?
Someone has taken it.
Who took it? Tell me who.
We suspect the police.
Okay. Who is the chief of the gang?
They will kill me if I tell you. Ahmed Khan.
Where is he now?
I don't know. I have not seen the guy in person. I have only heard his voice on the phone.
Okay, who is dealing with you now?
It is Munir, his brother. He is the one who pays the ransom and take the child with him.
Where will he take?
I have no idea, sir.
Tell his address.
Will you let me go then?
Tell me the address first.
Number 10, 2nd Street, Krishna Nagar, Nilapakam.
Huh. Did you say goodbye?
No,
Did
sir.
you say goodbye?
No.
Did you say goodbye to Priya? If not, say it now. Tell her. Say it now. Tell her bye.
Goodbye, Priya.
He's done. Good. Aren't you ashamed to do this as a woman? You may die instead. Tell!
I did it because I wanted money. The girl is still with us here.
Which girl?
That same girl that you're searching.
My dolly, gonna make you my Ronnie. You know, no, what am I talking about? What am I saying about? What am I rapping about? What am I yelling about? What am I saying about? It's A-A-A-N-A-I.
Give this child to her parents and hand over this lady to the police.
Someone is killing all your men one by one. I'm really scared. He doesn't look easy to deal with.
Hey! I will kill you.
What's wrong in it? This much have happened today. Who knows what will happen to you tomorrow?
Hey, none of them should come here from tomorrow. Ask them to stay at home. If they come here, I will kill all of them. Get lost.
Excuse me. Whom are you looking for?
Krishna Road, number 10. Is this address?
Yes, it is.
No, I'm looking for a
There
house.
is no such house here. Only the school is here past 15 years. Hello?
Are you Priya's mother?
Yes. Who is this?
You didn't recognize my voice?
Hey, why are you calling here?
Go and see your gate.
Hello?
The explosion which you saw there can happen anytime inside your house.
Oh my god, what do you want now?
Call your husband immediately.
Who is that? Speak.
Hello?
Yes, Meena. Actually, I am held by someone here.
Disconnect. Disconnect the phone.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Have you spoken to your husband? I want to talk to Vijay. I will call you in half an hour's time. If Vijay doesn't come there, I will kill your husband.
Shit! He has escaped. Yeah, tell me. I'm Vijay here.
This is Ahmad Khan. You gradually are destroying our network. You have to stop that. If you disturb me, I will destroy that family. I will choke the heads of the kids under my custody and send them by courier to their homes. Are you annoyed? Nothing will happen to me. If I get wild, whole town will destroyed.
Hereafter, you need not to avenge anyone. God will punish those who are wicked.
I'm just sending the wicked people to the God. That's my only job.
Priya is no more. I felt happy when you said you will avenge the killers. But now, I'm concerned about my family. I'm scared. I want my husband alive. I want my family. Please stop it for my sake. I beg you, please. Please.
Why have you kept him under police custody? Why don't you produce him in the court?
What is it today? Today is Friday. After 6, not even tennis court available.
Behave like a responsible police officer.
I know that. But you have forgotten that you are
I
retired.
would approach the higher officers.
Go. Since you are an ex-officer, I gave you respect. But you don't deserve
I will
it.
see you later.
You may.
He is not an ordinary person. He will create problem for us.
I think we should do something before that.
Sir, please pass me my dress.
Catch it.
One more time, sir.
Here, catch it.
One last time, sir.
Hey, go girl. You think I'm jobless or what?
Please climb the ladder and hand over.
I should have taken some other street.
Hey, you deaf guys. Take this ladder and give this to the particular address.
Yeah, take it.
Should we carry it vertically or horizontally?
So sweet. Bye.
Lift it.
Hey, don't take me here. I'm also there, man. Hey, come on, don't take me. Oh my God, I'm scared. Hey, please stop, man. Hey, stop. Hey,
It's
come
a
on,
bit
come
heavy.
on, leave me, man. Come on.
It is
Hey,
very heavy.
hey, come on,
Listen
stop
to
it.
me. Tonight we will elope. One more thing. My husband and your wife should not know about it, okay?
Yes.
Hey, you disgusting traitors. Such dirty and cheap things happen on top of
Oh
what?
my God, someone
Oh
had
my God,
seen.
we
Let's
should
go
escape.
away.
Hey, there is someone on top of the ladder, man.
Hey, ladder costs 750 rupees.
They are deaf. Lift it.
Oh my God, before I get down, they again started taking me or what? Hey, come on,
Hello,
man.
which area? Tell me which
Hey,
area.
what area, man? You can't see me. They are carrying me from village to the town, asking nonsense questions.
I will make you a doctor
Shame on you. What kind of a doctor are you? Is this a hospital or what? Oh my God, what kind of disgusting things are happening around here? Hey, idiot, stop, man.
My hands are aching. Please stop.
Can't you see this? Somebody climbed on the ladder to see me naked.
What are you looking at her? She is having a shower down. People will peep.
God.
So I made her have a shower over here. You bought a ladder to peep
Hey,
inside.
actually, you're
What I'm
mistaken.
going to do? Go away, man.
Hey,
Go
you
away.
idiot, I'm in a different mess. Please
Telling you
listen
to
to me.
go away.
Hey,
It's stupid.
stop.
Go away, man.
Hey, wait, man.
Lift it.
Hey, stop, man. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Oh my God, please don't lift it again. You just cannot imagine what is happening on the top. Oh my God.
From where do you come?
I'm coming from the space up there, you idiots. Don't you know there was a man up the ladder and you were taking me all over the town? One night about your heads. Nasty fellows. Luckily, I didn't hit any electric wires.
Idiot, can't you say that there's a person at top?
You go out and close the door. You can come when I call you.
Why did you try to kill me? Tell me!
I am not at all involved in Priya's murder.
Repeat it.
I am not involved in Priya's murder.
I never asked about her. Hey, are you involved in Priya's murder? Tell me. Tell me!
I only shot Khan's brother.
For what?
I planned to swindle the 2 crores from the kidnappers. But one of the bags had only paper bits.
Who kept the money in the vehicle?
Jayaraman's brother Hariram.
We gave 2 crores. I'm sure.
You.
How do you know him?
He used to stay in our house as a tenant. That's all how I know him. Sir, could you do me a very small favor, sir?
What?
You have considered me fit enough to be a suspect and you're wasting your time beating me up. My body is very weak. If you continue beating me up, it will be crushed into pieces.
Who else meets that bodyguard?
My fiancée, who I love very much.
Hey.
But actually, she loved him.
Do you know where she
Yes,
is?
sir. Yes, sir. I know very well, sir.
Sir, I saw him long ago.
Hey! Don't you know his whereabouts?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Tell me! I give you 24 hours. Otherwise, I will tear you to pieces. Where is Vijay?
Even I have been searching for a long time.
You know where he is.
Sir, I don't know, sir. Even I want to talk to him about a lot of things. But I could not meet him. If you happen to meet him, just tell him to call
Shut
me.
up! You think you're talking too smart? I will arrest him as soon as possible.
Police
Police
can
will
never catch
be
my
able to
man.
catch my man.
The address which the manager gave was wrong. And you don't have any other clues. What you're going to do, Vijay?
Even if the manager gave me the wrong address, well, I think there is a link between the school and that group. So, we will pick up the case from where we dropped.
Good morning.
Is that guy Basha?
Thank you. Basha, do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Who is he?
He's my father's friend,
What's your father's name?
Munir Khan.
Who's that?
What do you want?
Keep quiet.
Who are you? What do you want?
Who is this?
He's my husband.
Name?
Munir.
What is he to you?
My husband's brother,
What's your husband's name?
Ahmad Khan.
Where is your husband now?
I don't know.
Where do you contact him? Hey, tell me!
We will ring up and disconnect. He will call back.
Okay, call him now. Hey, I'm Vijay speaking.
What are you doing there?
That's an unnecessary question. Now your family is in my custody.
You are doing mistake.
Speak with your brother now. Hey, speak! Did you talk to him?
What do you want? How much money do you want?
I want you.
Are you threatening me?
If you don't come here, your brother. Yeah, tell me, I'm listening.
I never expected that you will reach me so fast. If you give me a human life, I will give you other one.
What are you talking about?
Your darling Priya's life.
But she's not alive.
I am not a fool to kill her without any benefits. She is alive.
No, I don't believe you.
How should I prove it?
Ask her. What is the name of a teddy bear? Just tell me.
Priya! It's your name, Vijay.
Priya.
You want Priya, and I want you. I know you will do anything for Priya. Only your death can save Priya's life now. If you give your life and my brother, I will return Priya.
Where should I come?
Brother knows the place.
Hello?
Vijay speaking.
Tell me.
Our Priya is alive.
What are you talking about?
Our Priya is still alive.
What happened?
If Priya doesn't return, shoot this guy. When Priya comes, release him and go immediately. Don't wait even for a minute.
Tell me.
Priya?
Priya?
Vijay uncle! Uncle?
Priya? Priya? Nothing, dear. Nothing.
Mummy?
Priya?
Did they beat you? Please go. Your diary. Take it along.
Only your death can save Priya's life.
cut the neck of 13 children. What are you doing?
Please spare my child.
Mummy!
Atrocities of terrorist Ahmad Khan in the city.
Without wearing the uniform, he has done the encounter.
This is the guy to kill the sinners.
He should be reinstated into the police
It
force
is wrong
again.
to take the law in his hand. But he's right.
Vijay gets a reduced term for eliminating the terrorists after the sentence.
Want you, climbing like a mountain, jumping like a furnace, pumping like a Brutus, wanna bet that itty bit of honey, my dolly, gonna make you my Ronnie. Do you know what am I talking about, what am I singing about, what am I rapping about, what am I yelling about, what am I telling about? Want you, climbing like a mountain, jumping like a furnace, pumping like a Brutus, wanna bet that itty bit of honey, my dolly, gonna make you my Ronnie. Do you know what am I talking about, what am I singing about, what am I rapping about, what am I yelling about, what am I telling about?